The welding of IBC cage frame, constantly breaking through technical boundaries, we lead the industry to a new height. This newly developed and produced automatic welding machine for IBC cage frame. It uses multi-head roll welding for one-time welding. We have undergone in-depth research and development, and for iterations and upgrades, with disruptive innovation technology, achieving IBC cage frame. The welding time is kept at 45 seconds. The welding control system saves more than 15% energy. This is not just a leap in production efficiency, but also breaks through the bottleneck of mass production. With hardcore technological innovation and breakthrough common industry problems, it provides strong impetus for the upgrading. It injects strong power. It helps the two IBC top manufacturing enterprises and accelerate the industrialization process.